So, my dear friends, today we will have some sweet. Hope you love sweet. If you are not, your kids definitely love it. Rava Laddu or Semolina Laddu. It's very simple recipe. Follow these steps and you could make perfect Rava laddus at home. First of all, we will roast semolina in ghee. You could roast it even the Rava is pre-roasted, it will give a nice aroma. Heat 1½ tablespoon of ghee, add 1 cup Rava. No need to roast it too much. Just roast. It's enough. Next need to heat some water. 1/4 cup is enough. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder and cardamom powder. Turmeric powder help to give a yellowish tone to laddu. If you don't want color, just ignore the step. Okay, the water is heated enough. Add 1/2 cup sugar. And let's wait till the sugar dissolve completely. We will make a sugar syrup. Single string consistency. It's the consistency we needed. We need to make laddus little hard, so it won't break while handling. In India you could meet a number of varieties under the name laddu. Here people make laddu with anything. Coconut, biscuit, fruits, puffed rice, etc. Okay, see the sugar syrup is ready. Now add Rava little by little. Combine well. It will be little dry, don't worry. Mix well and let it cool enough to handle. Now an optional step. Traditionally people sprinkle some milk over the Rava mixture before making laddu. It will definitely give some good aroma. If you wish, you could add some nuts or raisins with the mix. When you are ready, grease your hands with butter, make small laddus with hand. Just that. Rava Laddu or Semolina Laddu is ready. Next you could decorate these laddus with frozen coconut, if available. Just roll laddus over frozen coconut. Okay, hope you love this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.